Welcome to MS Excel. Now I will teach you from the beginning of Excel, that is the workspace of MS Excel. I will share screen so that you will see the Excel sheet. Have here MS Excel worksheet. For the introduction of MS Excel, this is the window which we have the close button, the maximize button, and the minimize button. To minimize means to pull down Excel, and to restore is to bring back Excel on the screen. We have the title bar with book 1 which has not saved. So we also have the office buttons. We have the home menu opened here with the clipboard group, the font group, the alignment group, the number group, the style, the cells, and editing group. In each group, there are various options that will be used in MS Excel. To begin Excel, we know that collection of these rows 1 2 3 4 5 etc and columns with alphabet A B C D E F G H are column. This collection of rows and column collectively is known as a worksheet, and collection of these worksheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and so on, is called a workbook in Excel. So when we see here, we have column A and row 1 which is active. When we click E7 as an active cell, we have the sheet here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and control N to have more new sheet. We also have the taskbar with the ready button, that means Excel is in ready mode, and the view which we are opening MX Excel. We have here the page break, we have here the page layout, and we have the normal mode in Excel. So starting Excel, we will start using the column A and row 1. Suppose we are typing numbers, we are typing number 1. When we pull this number from the cell, this intersection of the cell with plus sign, thin plus sign, it is called a fill handle. When we pull this thin handle down, we get 111, etc. So that is automatic filter. So if we don't need 111, suppose we want to give roll number and we type 1 chronologically, 2 3 4 5, so we have to give another sample so that Excel will know that we want number chronologically 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. So we will select both the cells, then pull down to give the numbers automatically. And not only numbers, we can even specify any universal truth like a month. If we type months of January, if we pull down from the fill handle, it will automatically fill the months of the year. So this is the shortcut where Excel is famous. This is just the introduction of MS Excel, which we will begin to display and work on Excel in the next level. Thank you. Welcome back to our Excel worksheet. We will start our first work in MS Excel so that we can see how we can enter simple data into Excel sheet. Seeing the Excel sheet display, we are going to type a table top engineering college. So starting with that, I'm going to start from A cell 1. We'll type some data like roll number, then move to the next data with the arrow key from the keyboard or with a mouse cursor. From the mouse itself, we double click and we enter to the second row cell. If you want to expand the line, this is the plus sign here. You can expand the line to make it big so that it will increase the size of column B. Here, I will type the information which we have to type on. We have finished to type all these cells. You see the city. We expand this so that we can type more information. It will be like this. Sample of this is the information on the sample entered in MS Excel worksheet. For the roll number, as I have explained in the other tutorial video earlier, we are going to type the roll number giving sample 1, 2, select both the cell 1 and 2, and from this fill handle I will select the fill handle and fill down till Punjab. So we get the fill handle are till the roll number till 15. So we need to specify all these, and bringing this into wrap text. How will we wrap this text? Need this information institution to come down. In order to use to apply wrap text, we will have to divide the institution, select B, the column B, minimize it till here, till name of, right click over the B, right click on the cell B, format cell. Format cell, then we have the number tab, alignment tab, font tab, border tab. We'll go to the alignment tab. We'll click on the wrap text to wrap the text which we write. So name of institution will not be in the same line, but it will move down. So this is how we wrap text. We are going to do these one by one. Right click on the format cell, wrap text again, okay. Then, we will divide this intellectual capital till capital, right click, format cell, and then wrap text. We have finished to do it. Then we get intellectual capital under the same line, and we are going to divide it here. We will format cell and wrap text, okay. Then we are going to divide again this till system it will come again. Getting the format like this kind. So now to calculate the total in Excel, any calculation must start with an equal sign. If there is no equal sign, the formula bar, even though if I click, it is not active. So we have to type equal sign here like this. After the equal sign has been typed, you will find that the formula bar is active. More functions are available. So total is a sum. So we will click on the sum function and we will check if D2 is calculated till D3. We'll find the sum. So it is D2. So it is D2 from here till H2. So that means till H2. So it is okay and it is available. But if it is not okay, we can erase this by the backspace key and we will select with the mouse cursor by our cell. Then we can click OK. We get the total of the value. So in order to fill all these values automatically within this cell, this is again a fill handle. Take this thin plus sign in the thin plus sign in the fill handle and drag down to fill the sum automatically. So we get the total of the data in Excel. New column has been inserted with the year. Now if I want to insert one more row above, so one more row above row 3, I will right click on row 3 and insert, and again I get one more row in between. So I don't want to have more rows, so I will just undo my work. So I want a row at the top of one so that I can write my heading. Right click on the row 1, insert, and I get one more row above. For the row above, I want to type the top college. Before typing top college, I want to merge this cell. Merge the cell means take out the grid cell from the line above. So how do I do to take out all these cells from here? I will select the column that I want to take out the cell. After selecting the column, I will right click in that cell, then go to format cell as we used to, and then click the merge icon. After clicking the merge icon, I will click OK. Now the line has been merged. So we can pull down from one to have more spaces. Here I will type my heading, Top Engineering College. I will make this heading broader, visible because it's the heading, and apply bold and center align so that it will be in the center. And again, the format of this roll number, all this heading, I will give bold to display that they are the heading. Now, on top of that, I want the text direction of the roll number to move 45 degree. So I select roll number. I will right click on the roll number using format cell, and using the orientation of the text, I will move to 45 degree so that my roll number heading will look this way. So we finish to create a simple table where you know how to insert data in Excel and do the simpler sum calculation, and also how to wrap these texts to display them under the same column but different line. So you have also learned how to merge the cells. The last part is that we will apply the style of the sheet. So we'll format the table and give the formatter table. So we'll give OK. So we have various formatting ways. So we can even change here, we can even change like this, we can even change in various way that we want. This is how we format our table using these ready-made table style. In this way, we come to the end of the first part of the worksheet in MS Excel. Thank you.